So yesterday my boyfriend turned to me and said he wanted green hair. Today we're gonna make that happen.
Isolated eyes, a messy mind.
So first things first, we're gonna cut his hair. That helps.
Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. Couldn't keep your poker face. But boy, you kept me waiting when I wanted to race. Sweet as hell, baby, you're a sugar rush. I knew you were giving, temptation was craving. You love it, you hate it.
Okay, so I've finished giving him a haircut. I've cut all of the blonde out and reshaped the sides. Now we're ready to bleach. So the bleach I'm going to be using is the Blonde Me range from Schwarzkopf in 30 volume developer, and the blue bleach powder I find works best for his hair type. For my hair normally I use 1 scoop of the bleach powder to 2 scoops of the developer, but because we're not going to be doing a whole head, I'm only going to use half a scoop of the powder to 1 full scoop of the developer. Okay, so it's already starting to turn blonde, but to help the process, I'm just going to put some foil over the top to keep the heat in. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes and the bleach is ready to be rinsed out. So I'm going to get him to shampoo his hair with the Reflex Silver shampoo from Schwarzkopf. It is literally just a purple shampoo, and lightly condition, and then we're ready to put the dye on. So I've got 2 different types of green hair dye. So I've just done a swatch of the 2 different greens that I have, and we've got Iris Green and Phantom Green. So what green do you want, baby? Which one do you like?
The Phantom one.
The Phantom Green. And I'm just going to pour it straight into the bowl. I'm not going to be diluting it with any conditioner or diluter, so we want it nice and pigmented. Give it a mix.
Will the real Slim Shady please stand up?
Freshly bleached hair. It's like weed green. You ready? Yeah? You sure? Okay. Ooh. hair accidentally and got green tips. So you just literally wanted it all green, didn't want any like special effects or anything?
No, just green baby.
Just all green, cool. Normally I don't wear gloves because the dye washes out quite easy on your skin with a bit of coconut oil, so it comes off easy, but this hair dye colour is very pigmented, also with the Purple Rain and the Poseidon, so it does stain. Quick tip, if you don't want to get hair dye on your hairline, you can always put the Vaseline or coconut oil and it will prevent the stains on your skin. I'm trying to reuse these gloves, so I cleaned them and now I can't get them on because they're wet. Okay, yay! You're gonna go into work tomorrow. What do you think your colleagues are gonna say? What do you think your colleagues are gonna say when you go into work tomorrow with bright green hair?
You'll probably see it on YouTube already.
No, it's not gonna be up on YouTube.
They don't follow you on Snapchat, I think.
That's creepy. No, I saw your girlfriend on Snapchat last night. Now, because this hair dye is conditioner based, you can leave the hair dye on for as long as you would like, but at least 45 minutes to achieve the best results. And then also rinsing the hair dye out with cold water will help it retain its brightness. So this hair dye is vegan and cruelty free. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of the Arctic Fox hair dyes, I will leave the link in the video description box for you. I thought there was a bit of hair dye on the wall then, but it's actually on the monitor of the camera. I was like, oh shit, that's never gonna come out. That's why people subscribe to me, because I'm fucking minging.
Welcome to the minging channel. Minging with the mangler.
Just massage the dye in. Velvet. Okay, so now the hair is completely covered. I'm just going to go through and triple check that there isn't any bits that are missed. So just section with the end of the brush and brush it through the dye. So I only ended up using about 1/4 of the bottle of the hair dye, and I'm going to get him to leave it on for 45 minutes and rinse with cold water, and we'll see what we're left with.
Let's put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. Couldn't keep your poker face. Before you kept me
He's so good for putting up with me. I'm so lucky. I've been the most annoying person ever trying to film this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and go subscribe for more, and I will see you all very soon. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
waiting.